Thinking about modern homes in Charlotte, North Carolina? Well, we're going on a luxury home tour today near Uptown Charlotte on Frazier Avenue in Biddleville, which is a historic neighborhood just west of Uptown Charlotte and the four wards. Now, there you have a four-story beauty with a rooftop terrace overlooking the skyline of Charlotte. And by the way, they dug down to put a basement in where I call it the Bat Cave. It's basically a 3-car garage, plus it's got 831 square feet of living area in the basement with its own little outdoor terrace, a bedroom and a bath down there. There's a bedroom and a bath on the 3rd level, and there are 3 bedrooms and 3 baths on the main level. So total heated living area, right about 6,000 square feet. But look at all the terraces, guys. Look at all of the outdoor living, including the rooftop terrace. Now, this is, to me, an engineering feat. 67 feet going that direction, left to right, 37 feet of clear span, designed by a structural engineer with brilliance. I mean, that open concept space, that is beautiful. Just think of how you could arrange your furniture to just even to change the vibe. So you've got all these floor to ceiling windows, modern lines, beautiful colors and finishes, but designed to enjoy the outdoors and designed to bring the outdoors in, and just modern architecture. Now, this is so close. I'll show you on the map, if you'll stick around till the end, how close you are to Uptown Charlotte. So to have a modern custom home with a rooftop terrace, new construction modern home, and by the way, they even engineered the way the closets are sitting so that you could have an elevator in the future. Because really, you've got 4 levels, plus a rooftop terrace. Again, just to be clear, you've got a half bath on your main level, and then 3 bedrooms upper, 1 bedroom, 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, en suites, 1 bedroom and 1 bath on the 3rd level, 1 bedroom and 1 bath in the basement. And by the way, that's where the 3-car garage is. Wow. So guys, as it always is, never reach out to the builder or to the listing agent. Always have a buyer agent in your back pocket to help you in the transaction. And one of my team members could get you in today or tomorrow, and or go shoot a FaceTime video with you if you're out of town. This beautiful modern home near Uptown Charlotte. Wow. And when I show you on the map, it'll be kind of clear. So you've got a mixture of architecture. This is the 3rd modern home in a row, which is really cool. You'll be around sort of like-minded people, if you will. But there's an eclectic mix of architecture because this is a historic neighborhood. And so, of course, you're going to have that. So again, the way it works, you're going to call me. I'll jot my number down. It's on the screen, 704-345-3400. I'll connect you to one of my team members. If you live here locally, we'd love to give you a good feel for what your house would be worth. Remember, Zillow's never been in your home, so don't be thinking too much about their Zestimate. Let us come in and see what you've done with the place, and we'll put some real numbers to it. And if you're moving from out of town, you need me to vet you a real estate agent in your area from the National Association of Realtors, I'd be honored to do that. Isn't that cool design on that shower with the tub right there? Lovely. So again, 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath house, new construction, modern home, luxury home near Charlotte, Uptown, with terraces everywhere. I love that shot. I love that shot. Beautiful. So cell number 704-345-3400. Let's take a look at the map right now. So there's the spot, 312 Frazier Avenue. You see it was a tear down, and they excavated down so that the first level would be, I think it's like 14 feet up. And a couple of reasons behind that, but that does put that 4th level high, and that rooftop terrace above it way high. So here's Johnson C. Smith University, by the way, historically Black college, started just after the Civil War, 1867, by a couple of preachers. And it was called Freedman's College. Later changed to Biddle University, so we're in Biddleville, and then finally to Johnson C. Smith University. And real close to town, you got First Ward, Second Ward, Third Ward, Fourth Ward. The Spectrum Center's there. That's where your NBA is. Here's Bank of America Stadium. That's where your NFL is. We've got baseball right in town, minor league baseball. It's a great center city area, guys, and you'd be so close to everything and great views. So give me a call, 704-345-3400, and I'll see you in the next video.